to communicate and make our people aware that there are such products that are not supposed to be used, is something that requires continued effort from all of us. The enforcement agencies, the regulatory agencies, we all should participate. And the communication aspect from KABI and from other institutions, the aspect of communication is what I'm emphasizing on. Because we can produce very good products, we can make very fantastic decisions, we can consult each other and arrive at fantastic ideas. But unless we can communicate them to the community so that the decisions that we make become demand-driven ideas, not top-up ideas, but bottom-up ideas, where the rejection of the products that you yourselves have rejected must also be rejected by the farming community. And the farming community can only do so if they know what we are doing out here.